Guys, welcome to my channel Havling Yatna, and today we are going to talk about a topic which is related to the plight of women in India. There is a warning out there for the people who are watching this video that please don't create hate. All I have done is just to pen down the things and make people aware about the things going around. In the countries like India, womanhood is worshipped in forms of Ma Durga, Ma Kali and many more. But there is an irony played in the fates of the women living here. She is lucky enough if she is not the victim of female infanticides and forticides. She is lucky enough if she is not victim of no education for girls because being a girl, her only duty is to cook and look after family. She is lucky enough if she is not victim of dirty stares and touches in public transport, which brutally taints her confidence and self-respect. She is lucky enough if she is not victim of workplace harassments and molestation to prove her caliber and be successful. She is lucky enough if she is not victim of dowry, where people are so inhuman that she is also victim of domestic violence, brutally beaten by her in-laws like incident happened in Odisha or Aisha suicide case. She is lucky enough if she is not victim of rapes and gang rapes like Nirbhaya and many more because trust me, her clothes were not short. Even girl in a diaper was raped. She is lucky enough if she is not victim of marital rape because it is not considered as rape in India. She is lucky enough if she is not victim of acid attacks like Lakshmi Agrawal because trust me, her heart is not as fragile as men's ego and would even shine with her flaws. She is lucky enough if she is not victim of honor killings for choosing a career or some religious factors like women killed in capital publicly where people were happy to click videos but not to help the women. And lastly, she is lucky enough that she is not dragged into prostitution by human trafficking or bond to a victim of human trafficking or responsibilities. Just before addressing her as a slut, think about that it was not her choice and prostitution function only because the same men who slut shames prostitute go to them to get satisfied. At least respect her. And a kind request to all the women who slut shame, please think about once it was not her choice. No doubt India is exactly the same place where political and economical decisions are taken by many fortunate women such as Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ma'am and many more women in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Or it is the same place where we had Savitribai Phule or Ahilyabai Holkar, or where we have Indira Nooyi ma'am or Sudhamurthy ma'am, or we had Nirja Banot ma'am, or beauties such as Rekha ma'am, Alia Bhatt, Deepika Padukone and many more. And in 21st century, it's really high time to make the country safe for women and not being regressive for their safety or just be hypocrite by worshipping the idols of the goddess and start treating every woman as special.